This is how you install Shogun frame sliders on your Ninja 650. Guys, this is my video on how to install the Shogun frame sliders on my Ninja 650 2019. This kit is no cut. It's for 2017 to 2023, I believe. And as you can see, my bike is scratched up. Got one scratched up on purpose because I'm new. I figure I'm going to drop it. So this isn't going to really, I'm not worried about it protecting the body. I just want to be able to get my leg out from underneath it. So to start, let's take this 14 millimeter bolt off. As you can see inside here, the nut is actually held in place by the frame, or that little bracket there. So you don't need a wrench or anything. You just back that bolt out and then you pull it out and make sure you grab the nut when it falls out. As you can see, the hardware is a bit different. This is a little bit thicker than just that, obviously, so you need to use the bolts that came with the kit and use the nut that came with the kit instead of the stock one. Now don't put it all the way in, because remember, you got that nut on the other side. Now the short one goes on this side and the long one goes on the other side. This is a nylock nut, so make sure that little white strip is on the outside of the bolt. Do the opposite on the other side, and this uses the engine mounts that were the engine mounts to the frame, so it's should be pretty sturdy. But the reason that they have this longer one is, as you can see, there's a little bit of space from this mount between the body, and it sticks out about the same amount. And like I said, both these sides are no cut. And the other thing I forgot to mention is, when you're taking the stock bolts off, use a 14 millimeter socket.